Dessert cafes in Bangkok you need to try. If you're one of those people who can't resist their sweet tooth, you're in luck, because Bangkok is full of amazing desserts that will definitely hit the spot. From cakes and pastries to cookies and ice cream, this city's got your sugar cravings. Each dessert cafe in Bangkok brims with delicate, lavish, but delicious treats that anyone will enjoy. Here are some of the best ones. Paris Mickey. Founded by pastry chef Carole Boussaba, Paris Mickey is an authentic French cafe in a soke. Staying true to French traditions, all of her cakes and pastries are made in small batches. Moreover, she sources produce seasonally to further ensure freshness. We recommend classics such as the Tarte au Citron and the Philippe 70, a dark chocolate cake. For something different, try the Lady Pinska, almond mousse with lychee and raspberry. Finally, their Orangeit, with milk chocolate hazelnut mousse, fresh orange and orange confit is perfectly zingy and nutty. Ichi is a quirky dessert-centric cafe dishing up some seriously fun and playful treats. With a menu showcasing a variety of ready-to-munch delights, each crafted with heaps of creativity, it's hard not to be tempted. Nestled within the charming setting of a revamped blue house boasting lovely garden surrounds, sweet tooths will love the adorable, artsy designs and pretty plating on Icy's offerings. Fancy a nibble on a classic French dessert, such as financiers and macaroons? Or maybe a homemade ice cream with a Thai twist? Icy's got both in spades. A superstar among their creations is the Starfish, a dreamy yellow dessert that fuses a coffee vanilla mascarpone mousse with a zesty pineapple compote, nutty praline and a smattering of ginger foam. And don't forget the Blueberry Balloon, a delectable combo of soft cheesecake, blueberry jelly, lemon cream and a crumbly base. For those looking for a Michelin-worthy indulgence, the multifaceted Starfish is a must. After You Dessert Cafe. After You is one of Bangkok's, if not Asia's, most well-known dessert cafes. Its outlets can be found all over the city and thus, are extremely convenient to access. A popular item on the menu is their buttery Shibuya honey toast, which is a large slice of bread that is several inches tall and is topped with vanilla ice cream and whipped cream. Also as delectable is kakigori, a shaved ice treat from Japan. These can be flavored to your preferences using a variety of syrups and sweeteners. Last but not least, they offer a variety of hot and cold beverages in addition to various baked foods like bread, pastries, and cakes. Patisserie Rosie. The delicate artisan patisserie offered by Patisserie Rosie is a feast for your eyes and taste buds. Each sweet treats are as beautiful as they are tasty. It's hard not to photograph them before eating. The classic Millefeuille with vanilla and caramel cream is one of the most popular items here. It's only available on weekends, so if you want to try it, be sure to come early. Another favorite is the soft and creamy Basque burnt cheesecake, the cherry shaper cherry ripe, as well as the yuzu lemon tart that tastes like summer. There's also a large selection of teas and coffee, perfect to pair with your favorite dessert. In addition to the delicious menu, the tiny dessert cafe boasts a superb ambience with a chic old-style French interior and lots of beautiful antiques. It's slightly hidden from the main road, offering the perfect escape from Bangkok's hustle and bustle. Kyo Roll N. Kyo Roll N serve Japanese-inspired desserts full of funk and flair. The dessert cafe has multiple show-stopping delicacies, from cakes, parfait, custard pudding, kakigori, and mitsu to bubble tea. In particular, their roll cakes are their speciality, available in flavors like Hokkaido cream, matcha and chocolate. They serve these kaiseki style, meaning multi-course, and thus come alongside low-fat soft cream, a fresh fruit platter, one chocolate truffle and sauce. Aside from this, the Yabari melon parfait tastes just as good as it looks. Inspiration comes mainly from Kyoto, where they source both their matcha green tea and chic interiors.